Going on, friends? Finally got some pods in. These are from Linda McNew at Linda's Fiery Treats. Um, first, first fresh pods I've gotten from her this season. Now I've been buying peppers and getting peppers from her for 3 or 4 seasons now. Linda's Fiery Treats. You can find her on all social media. She even has a YouTube where she talks about her grow and shows her grow, which I follow and really appreciate. It's fun. She's very smart, very good grower. She makes some delicious treats as well, so she knows what she's talking about. She likes to show off the pepper plants. I enjoy looking at them, so go check her out on YouTube, Linda's Fiery Treats. Nonetheless, tonight we got a Gator Jigsaw. It's of Italian origin, but I believe that the cross is unknown. But I read that some people tend to believe that it might be a cross between an apocalypse scorpion and a 7-pot mustard, which I could see it. You know what I mean? I could definitely see a 7-pot in this, and also a scorpion. So see what we got. Hope everybody's doing good. It's been a while since I've been on, so let's give her a go. I don't think I've had a fresh super hot in about 2 weeks. Let's see where we're at. It's so hot out. So I've had this pepper many a times, reviewed it a few times. Some say it's 1.5 to 2 million on the Scoville scale. I don't think so. But people say that it's rivals the Reaper. It's that hot. I just don't think so. I mean, it's hot. I believe it's super hot level heat. You know what I mean? It's ghost pepper or above for sure. I mean, I think it's hotter than a ghost pepper, but if that's where you start the barometer for a super hot, is that a ghost pepper? Then it certainly is a super hot. And just like that, tree is down. I told y'all before how much I hate to fucking win. I really do. I mean, you can see some good amounts of oils pooled in there. It's hot. A little bitter, earthy. Great mustard flavor. for the birds. Happy to report that I have not eaten a fresh super hot in, I think it's been 13 days. This ain't burning all that bad, and that's a hot pepper. I've had those before, and they were just, at that time for me, whenever it was, I remember that pepper being a difficult, just super hot pepper. Today it's not too bad. It's building a little bit still. This pepper has a rather surprisingly slow build to it. Like, it's not very fast. It's not like a stage and then jump in here like that. It's just a very slow climb, because I still feel, as of right now, like it's still climbing. Like, my nose is getting ready to start running. I'm starting to breathe just a little bit heavier than I had previously been. Some peppers I'm already fucking breathing heavy. You know what I'm saying? By now. So that's what I mean by this is a pretty slow, gradual burn. Not much of a throat burn. It's all kind of underneath the tongue and on the gums. Believe it or not, the lips, my lips really aren't even burning right now, which I always get that. I mean, I can feel them a little bit because I'm starting to lick them a little more, because this pepper is creating quite a bit of saliva going on in the mouth. But that's an overall just a fantastic pepper. Great heat. Like I said, even ones of those Gator Jigsaws I've eaten in the past, I don't know if they've ever rivaled a Carolina Reaper, in my opinion, as far as heat-wise. Much better flavor, but heat-wise, no. You know, I would guesstimate that pepper I just ate was in the 800 to, you know, maybe right there. But again, it felt warmer, and it feels warmer even now than a ghost pepper. So if ghost peppers are starting at the 800,000 range, then this has to be closer to right at the mill mark. You know, I don't know. It's so hard to tell, you know, but that just seems to be kind of where I'm at. It's right at about ghost pepper level heat, but it's got a red ghost pepper beat. It's got most ghost peppers beat, I believe. Yeah, it's good. It's good to be back. It's good to get a fresh pod in me. Like I said, I've been eating my serranos, habaneros, shit like that, with dinner and just snacking here and there and whatnot. But it feels good to eat a fresh super hot like that, and I just got a box in, so I'll be doing a couple more videos and having some more fun. So that's it. I don't got much more. I'm gonna keep this video pretty short. This pod's just really not. I feel like it's already peaked. It peaked probably a minute and a half ago, somewhere in there. It actually peaked shortly after I was talking about the way the pepper was burning. It's kind of coming down now. But again, I would eat those over a lot of different super hots or even hot pods, just because the flavor on it was just so earthy, delicious. you know, it's another thing with those mustard super hots. They're just so well balanced with the heat and the flavor that, again, I've talked about it before, but neither on a mustard pod like that, the flavor and the heat just they're just kind of neck and neck. With the heat doesn't overtake any flavor, and the flavor doesn't overtake any heat. It's just really balanced, and you get a nice overall good pepper with good flavor. It's not a disgusting flavor to me. There are some people that don't like mustards. I don't get it, but fair enough. Anyways, ooh, it might start raining. Just get UFO just fly over above, or that was weird. That was like now it just got a little overcast. Anyways, I love everybody. Thank you for burning with me. We'll be back with another pod review soon. All right, we'll see ya.